Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate captions in Canva, step by step and super easy. So let's get started. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture. From there, go to Settings, then select Accessibility and make sure Captions are turned on. Now, let's create a new project. Click on Create a Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail or any format you prefer. Enter the blank canvas. Once you're inside the canvas, head over to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click on Videos and upload or select the video you want to work on. Drag it into your canvas and resize it to fit. Next, go to the Text tab. There, you'll see an option called Captions, and then click on Generate Captions. Canva will take a few moments to process your video and automatically generate the captions. Once the captions appear on your canvas, you can change the color and ungroup the text if you want to move lines individually. Now comes the translation part. Go to the Apps tab on the left and search for Translate. You'll see the Translate Now app. Click on it. Once the app opens, select the language you want to translate to. Then, copy each caption or paragraph one by one from your canvas and paste it into the Translate Now app. It will give you the translated version instantly. Take that translated text and adjust it in your canvas just like you did with the original captions. And just like that, your video now has translated captions. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.